welcome back. We are making 4-ingredient Nutella cookies and they are darn delicious. Now we're going to combine the ingredients together. All you need is some flour and you can just dump it in. We have an egg and some Nutella. Dump this in. This recipe doesn't even need sugar because Nutella gives you that sweetness and a little bit of chewiness. It's perfect. You're gonna shape the dough into a little ball and we're gonna let it rest for about 15 minutes or so. At this point, once your dough sits for about 15 minutes, you wanna shape them into little balls. My cookie scoop is about 1.5 inches and just roll them up so all the sides are perfectly smooth and just place them on a baking sheet just a few inches apart. We're gonna make a little well in the center and place some Nutella on top of that with a little bit of hazelnuts. So I'm using the back of the scoop. You can use your thumb, that works too. For the Nutella, you can use a Ziploc bag or a piping bag. That makes it easier, or just scoop it out with a fork or a spoon. We're gonna pop them in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes and then we're done. And this is how you make 4-ingredient Nutella cookies.